for the unpleasant sensation in your thighs.
So, Duck, wanna play my new video game, Constable Clobber's Cooking Corner?
Cannot do. Mini ducks require my full attention.
I wish I had a bunch of mini Howies to play with. Just imagine the possibilities. Wow. You sure I can convince you to come play?
Very sure. Maybe the pig will play with you.
Good thinking. Thanks, Duck. By the pig, you mean Piggy, right?
I do not know.
Octo, I was up all night playing video games with the pig. Could you stop screaming and doing your high-pitched impression of me?
Howie, you're gonna want to see this.
Mini Howies! They're just like me, only smaller and more mischievous.
Ow! Howie!
Ooh, this one has a note. Howie, please enjoy these miniature versions of yourself. Love, Archibald William Nightingale Duck III. No time, Octo. I gotta go get Duck. Mini Howies, follow me.
It is green so real. The prettiest lady in all the land.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Did I actually just see what I think I just saw?
You can go back to bed. Life's so much better in Dreamyland.
Duck, thank you for my minis. They're awesome.
Want to play?
Yeah. Hi, let's go tie out these legs together. It's so nice to see them get along.
They make me very proud.
What's going on in here? Octo! Why are you just letting these things run around out of control?
Believe me, I tried, but I'm a little outnumbered here.
Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself!
I want to, but I can't.
That's it! I'm gonna let Duck and Howie have it!
This piggy have to see. Oh no. What are you planning on doing with those? You know how dangerous I am.
See? Sometimes I wish they'd stay this size forever.
Then you are in luck.
Why are you two just letting your minis run wild?
What can we say? Minis will be minis.
Howie, Duck, may I make a quick suggestion?
Sure.
Toy trucks?
Here it comes.
Get your minis under control